Welcome back, everybody, to our Super Nintendo World Grand Opening Special with another Nintendo Switch game, and it's Wheel of Fortune. Let's see how it goes. I think we'll have a good game here, don't you?
Sony Pictures Studios, it's America's Game.
Ladies and gentlemen, here are the stars of America's Game.
Hello, everyone. How are you? Good to see so many people here. I hope you're all well. It says here, thank you for joining us today. How are you doing today? This is our $1,000 toss-up round. The category is, what are you doing?
None of your business.
Contestant number 1, go ahead. Get ready for the toss-up. The category on this one is living things. Contestant number 1, please solve. Are we all ready to start? Yes? Well, let's get to our places. I think it's time to start this round. The category is Thing. Let's get this round started with the first spin. $800. We have 1 R. Great job. That's quite a bit of cash in your pocket now. With the free play, you've got a second chance at what vowel would you like? Yes, we have some E's. Almost there. Yes, we have some N's. I guess you'll be paying for dinner tonight. $600. We have one TV. I guess you'll be paying for dinner tonight. $600. We have one S. That's a lot of money you won there. $500. We have one S. Don't go spend that all at once. $650. We have one B. That's a fair bit of cash you picked up. You've certainly got the money. We have one I. What vowel? We have one A. If you'd like to buy a vowel, we have one O. It's too close.
I'll make it.
Ouch. Bankrupt is always a painful one. $700. Will we get any help on this? It seems we're out of luck. $650. We have one G. That's a lot of money you won there. Will we get any help on this? It seems we're out of luck. $550. We have one B. Good job. Keep that going and you'll be heading home a winner tonight. It's so close. $700. We have one B. I guess you'll be paying for dinner tonight. Wow, I'm very sorry. Just try to keep positive thoughts now. Oh, have we got it? Ouch. Bankrupt is always a painful one. $550. I'm sorry, there are none on the board. $600. We have 1 seed. I guess you'll be paying for dinner tonight. $550. We have 1K.
Extensive background.
Great job. That's quite a bit of cash in your pocket now. Contestant number 1, it's your chance. Wow, that is incredible. How did you come up with that? Should I keep smiling for the camera? No? Okay, let's get going. Let's go ahead and start the round. The category is Thing. Contestant number 2, you're up first, so take a spin. With your free play, you aren't out of it yet. Sure, you can buy a vowel. I'm sorry, there are none on the board. Come on, let's go. 900. Unfortunately, there are none on the board. I'm sorry. $650. We have 1 G. Not bad. You've got quite a bit of money now. Almost there. 700. We have 1 D. I guess you'll be paying for dinner tonight. You can certainly buy a vowel. Unfortunately, there are none on the board. I'm sorry. We have 1 N. Please pick up that card for Bonfresh. This gift is worth $1,000. What vowel would you like? Yes, we have some I's. We have 1 R. Go ahead and pick up that wild card. Don't forget you have that wild card. Would you like to use it? $650. We have 1 F. That's a fair bit of cash you picked up. Just a quick reminder now. You have a wild card and you can use it if you like. 900. Yes, we have some T's. Well, that is a healthy amount. And don't forget you have that wild card. Would you like to use it? $500. We have 1 S. Great job. That's quite a bit of cash in your pocket now. It sounds like you're ready to solve. Go ahead. I am speechless. Did you just pull that out of thin air? We have a prize round now. The winner will be picking up something extra today. The category is phrase. Contestant number 3, go ahead and take the first spin. Almost there. 700. We have 1 S. That's a fair bit of cash you picked up. It's gonna be close. That's about as painful as bankruptcy gets. Get out of there! Ouch. The bankrupt wedge is always a painful one. $500. Unfortunately, that's not what we need. $550. We have one. Why? Don't go and spend all that at once now. It's too close. 700. Will we get any help on this? It seems we're out of luck. $500. Yes, we have some R's. I guess you'll be paying for dinner tonight. Oh, we got it. 700. Yes, we have some M's. Don't go and spend all that at once now. $900. Yes, we have some T's. That's a lot of money you won there. It's too close. 600. We have one H. Not bad. You've got quite a bit of money now. Oh, 600. We have one B. Don't go and spend all that at once now. Contestant number 1, it's your chance. You weren't doing any gambling with that, but I think you'll get time to do that soon. Are you ready to go to Las Vegas?
Check out the entertainment capital of the world. The glitzy nightlife, vibrant streets, and luxurious amenities will keep you entertained. Stay in a gorgeous 5-star hotel before taking a night out on the Strip. Let's go to Vegas.
It's $7,320.
It's time for a toss-up round for $3,000. The category is, what are you doing?
None of your business.
Contestant number 1, it's your chance. Let's go ahead and start the round. The category is food and drink. Let me give the wheel one final spin. Yes, we have some R's. Good job. Keep that going, and you'll be heading home a winner tonight. Contestant number 1. Unfortunately, there are none on the board. I'm sorry. Wow, not a single one on the board. I'm sorry. Yes, we have some S's. That's a fair bit of cash you picked up. Contestant number... Wow, not a single one on the board. I'm sorry. Unfortunately, that's not what we need. We have one N. Don't go and spend all that at once now. Contestant number... We have one M. That's a fair bit of cash you picked up. Contestant number 2, your chance to... Unfortunately, there are none on the board. I'm sorry. Yes, we have some T's. Well, that's a healthy amount to add to your winnings tonight. Contestant number 1, your chance to solve. Wow, that is incredible. How did you come up with that? Our lucky contestant looks eager to start the bonus round, so let's get over there. Let's go over here now. Character. We'll give you the typical letters R, S, T, L, N, and E. Contestant, would you please choose 3 consonants and a vowel?
Yeah. Oh, Lord.
Wow, you made that look easy.
Oh, Papa Smurf?
I hope you're ready, because we only have
I thought
a
it
few
was
moments to solve.
shark.
I guess you'll be paying for dinner tonight.
$72,770. Go for another game.